This morning we were at Lady Lane Championships round 4, 14th of June 2026. Magnificent view here, right on the side of the hillside. We're on section 1 here. Nice rocky section. First man through section 1, Kerry Mitchell. Straight through. Here's Richard, back of the course. Paul Whittaker. Brian Cooper. Doesn't seem to bother them too much, this section. A nice easy opener. John Ingram. Nice aerial arrow engine. David Cockcroft. Oh dear. Just had his bike done up. Looks nice and smart. Nigel Greenwood, section 5. Out for a clean. Steve Glossop, section 5, Clubman route. That's what a trials bike should sound like. Out for a clean. Nick Bailey, Bantam. CH4 aerial. Another nice sounding bike. Alan Mills,
that's it, Alan Mills.
On a Bantam. Easy ride round today. Out for a clean. Katie Ward on section 6. She built that aerial herself and made a good job. Another good aerial here, section 6. It's now the tick over. Here we have John Feather and our Paul's Cub. First time out in 2 years since his injury. Says that his reactions aren't as good as what they were, but seems alright to me. Gone out with a clean. Chris Haig on a well prepared Valocet. Lovely bike this. doing the Premier route. Keep it going. Difficult for a big bike, that. David Roth. Clubman route. Out for a clean, section 5. Mills on section 6. John Maxfield, section 6, Premier route. John Feather on Paul Dennis's Cub. He's riding it well, considering he hadn't ridden for 2 years. Says he's still a bit nervous about falling off. Oh, too soon one time. Paul Whittaker. Francis Barnett. Rob Bartlett on his dad's old bike. Rode that well. John Ingram. This is a nice aerial engine. Does sound well. Nigel Greenwood, section 5. Andrew Dean, Premier route. Colin Shackleton, 50-50. Tony Holmes, well ridden, good one. Brian Cooper, section 5, Clubman route. Tony Calvert, 50-50. Don Holmes Cub, sounding well. Steve Glossop, Ariel. Jimmy Noble, REH Ariel, otherwise known as Boris. Forks working well. Richard Cuff. Out for a one. David Cockcroft, Clubman route. David Roth, 50-50, Clubman route. Paul Dennis, Premier route. clean. Paul Chandler, historic cup. Believe it or not, he's done the pre-65 Scotland 2 day on that bike, and it's still sounding good. Johnny Cook, Bantam, Premier Route. That last one was Rob Bratley. This is Johnny Cook. And Johnny's doing the Premier. Number 3 there. Chris Egg. Premier Route. Difficult section this for a big bike. Tony Holmes, section 6. Out for a clean. Section 6. Chris Haig on his Velocet. Paul Dennis Bantam, section 6, Premier Route. Jimmy Noble, aerial. Harry Mitchell, Bantam, Clubman Road. Paul Charnley, section 6. John Maxfield. Premier Route. Had a dab last time. This time he's going to clean it. Well done, John. John on his section 6. John Ingram, Ariel Ara, Clubman Course. Richard Cook, big BSA this. Oh, I missed N's flag. Nice clean. Andrew Dean was the last one to clean the Premier Route. This is David Rock. Easy for him. Nigel Greenwood on his last lap. Tony Holmes. Jimmy Noble. Premier Route. Carl Dennis on Premier Route. John Hindle. Johnny Cook, Bantam, Premier Route. Chris Egg, Premier Route. Go on Chris, you've done it. John Maxfield, Premier Route. Cleaned it last time. Clean again. Andrew Dean. I want to congratulate all the people who did the Scottish Pre-65. There's a lot of Yorkshire members did it, and they did well. A lot of them finished. Steve Cook. It's Richard Cuff. John Feather. Nice to see him out again on a bike. It looks like he's getting used to this bike now. Out for a clean. John Feather. Section 6. Come on, John, you can do it. Go on, keep going. Good ride. John Maxfield again. He's only lost one on this section. All in section 5. Jimmy Noble, section 5, Premier Route. Does well with a big bike. Johnny Cook, and Bantam.